How long does it take for Ally to respond? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting at your desk, staring at your phone, waiting for a response from Ally. You've sent the message hours ago, and you're starting to wonder if she's even seen it. Have you ever experienced this frustrating wait? Let's dive into the question, how long does it take for Ally to respond? Hook. We've all been there. You're excited to hear back from someone, and the minutes turn into hours, and the hours turn into days. It's a common experience, but it can also be a source of anxiety and frustration. So, let's explore the factors that can influence Ally's response time. Factor 1. Ally's personality. Ally's personality plays a significant role in how quickly she responds. Some people are naturally more responsive than others. If Ally is a highly organized and punctual person, she's more likely to reply promptly. On the other hand, if she's more laid back and easygoing, she might take her time. Remember, everyone is different, and it's important to respect Ally's communication style. Just because she doesn't respond immediately doesn't mean she doesn't care. Factor 2. Ally's schedule. Ally's schedule can also impact her response time. If she's busy with work, school, or other commitments, she might not have time to check her messages as often. Additionally, if she's in a different time zone, there might be a delay in communication. It's important to consider Ally's schedule when sending messages. If you know she's busy, you might want to wait until a more convenient time to reach out. Factor 3. The importance of the message. The importance of the message can also affect Ally's response time. If the message is urgent or important, she's more likely to reply quickly. However, if the message is casual or low stakes, she might take her time. If you need a quick response, be sure to clearly state the urgency of your message. This will help Ally understand the importance of replying promptly. Factor 4. Ally's phone habits. Ally's phone habits can also influence her response time. If she's constantly checking her messages, she's more likely to respond quickly. However, if she's not a frequent phone user, she might take longer to reply. It's worth noting that some people prefer to limit their phone usage, and that's perfectly acceptable. If Ally is one of those people, you might have to be patient. Factor 5. Technical issues. Sometimes, technical issues can prevent Ally from responding promptly. If her phone is broken or she's experiencing network problems, she might not be able to access her messages. If you're concerned that Ally might be experiencing technical difficulties, you could try reaching out to her through a different method, such as email or social media. Dealing with delayed responses. Waiting for a response can be frustrating, but it's important to remain patient. If Ally hasn't responded after a reasonable amount of time, it's okay to follow up. However, be mindful of how you approach the situation. Here are some tips for dealing with delayed responses. Be understanding. Everyone experiences delays in communication from time to time. Try to be understanding and avoid making assumptions. Follow up politely. If you haven't heard back after a few days, it's okay to send a polite follow-up message. Simply ask if Ally has received your message. Avoid overthinking. It's easy to overthink delayed responses, but try to avoid doing so. Focus on other things and trust that Ally will respond when she can. Conclusion. How long does it take for Ally to respond? The answer depends on a variety of factors, including Ally's personality, schedule, the importance of the message, her phone habits, and technical issues. While it can be frustrating to wait for a response, it's important to remain patient and understanding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.